Good morning to one and all. My name is Bogala Vinod Reddy and my roll number 20951 capital A 04P4 and my branch is EC means Electronical Communication Engineering and section from D where I am from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering located at the Dundigal, Hyderabad. Subject Python and Python programming. The subtopic is local scope of a function where the definition for the local function area in which a function can be assessed is known as of scope function. Where the area in which a function can be assessed is known as of scope function. There are three types. Where the scope functions are the three types. First of all, local scope, and second the global scope, and third the bulletin scope. Today we discussing about the local scope, and two we discuss in another video. And second, scope in a Python with the explanation with the diagram. A look at the diagram. This is a Python symbol, and the first lower to that local scope, and some upper to that global scope, and above that enclosing scope, and above top is the bulletin scope. Local scope function, where we are discussing about the definition. A function that is declared in another function is called local function. Repeating once again, a function that is declared in another function is called local scope or local function. And its local scope is also known as local variable, where there is the 4 points initiating more important topics in local variables or local scope. First of all, local variables are declared within a function. The function local variables are declared within a function. In a function, we are declaring about the local variables. It can be used only in function in which they are declared. In local variables we are only used only in the function which they declared. It can be used only in functions, not outside the function. Outside the function, we need it. When they declare, it is shows error. And third point, local variables are destroyed when control leave with functions. Local variables are destroyed when the controls leaves the function. And fourth, local variables are used when the values are to be used within a function. Where main topic is local variables are main used only in functions, not outside the function. If we shows the outside the function, it will shows the error. And one thing, example. Okay, for example, for the local variables or local scope, def my function of semicolon where the a equals to 10, print colon inside my function and value is semicolon apostrophe comma equals e comma a, print my function of a. We are describing the a function in the function, not in the outside the function, and this shows the output. When we shows the a value after the print function, it shows the error, and the output inside my function is value is 10, and none. Program finished. Okay, this is the process for the applying for the local variable. And more important is functions can be declared. Only function can be declared in the another function is used as local function, where the local variables are declared within a function, not outside the function. With the function is variable declares outside the function is known as a global variable or global scope. And we seen example for the local variable. Thank you for all listening to me. Thank you for giving this opportunity from IRE. Thank you to all.